Okay, it started.
Alright, YouTube. So back here today, you feel me? Got my brothers with me, feel me? Back on the range. I know it's been a little minute. Been about a month since I dropped this last little video, so we're gonna see what these boys' build is and what they're rocking out with today. Starting with Cam. So go ahead, Cam, let them know what you.
First, I got the old Canic. Got the Meta.
Well, let's step forward to the camera a little bit better. Stay down.
And then I got the old 22. That's it.
What you got, brother?
Got the Anderson AR-556.
What's the inches on them things?
16.
16 and a half or just 16?
16.
Okay.
I got the G3C Target.
What them boys brought for little shit, y'all. I mean, I ain't gonna do them like that, but you feel me? So this one I brought my little baby out, my Kel-Tec 40 Smith & Wesson. Ain't nothing too major on there, just a little bipod on there, that's it. Then I got my build. I have about 4 years I had built. This got some little upgrades to it. Ain't nothing too major, 2 inch, but 10.5 inches on a Palmetto lower, but H3 buffer tube in there. Nothing too crazy. Then I got Glock 22, the 40, Gen 4. Some little upgrades into it, but that's it. But we're gonna show y'all in a minute who get like that. But we're gonna start.
Alright, y'all. So look, I know. Well, first and foremost, this is from today's video from yesterday. I know I said we're supposed to do like some 60-yard trainings. Shit happens, you know. I just hope that y'all just enjoy this video that I'm about to just sit here and put out to y'all, you feel me? Put me and my little brother and my cousin out, you feel me? We just brought our little toys out there just to have some more fun, you feel me? We ain't been together in a minute, we just went to the range, you feel me? My uncle out there, you feel me? Out there just enjoying us, man, just doing shit. We just, hey, you know? But I hope y'all got down for this little video that I'm about to go ahead and drop to y'all real quick, though. We did do some little training exercises. We got some mag dumps in there. It's a little bit of everything which I wanted there, but you know, next time we go to the range, next time do anything like this, it will be way better from any of this right here. Cause like when I go to the range, personally, I have bullets and everything like that. Like it was just really a fucked up day yesterday, so we really just made that right there the best of what we could make our abilities, for real, honestly, cause. Boy, you know what we went through before we even got to Party House? Boy, I'm telling y'all. You feel me? But it's enough with that. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.
It is.
Oh, we're recording? Yeah. Safety first, YouTube, always.
I don't have no
You ain't got
eyes
his fucking
or
ear
ears.
protection on.
I left them in the other car. Fuck what he's talking about, okay? Because we all about to share. But he go to the next round. It's on you now. He hit it, gang. He hit it. Go ahead. It's on you now.
You hit that bitch.
He hit it. It's on you.
Shit.
Well, if I get this bitch.
Boy, your ass and you gotta
You see that shit? I hit that
Boy,
bitch.
you hit the bottom of the tree, boy.
I hit the bottom of the tree.
Yeah, gang.
Oh, shit.
Boy, your ass.
Now you want to shoot
boy.
again.
You ain't shooting shit.
How the fuck I hit? Yeah, I'm gonna aim it down like a bitch. Y'all got 9s, nigga. I got 40s, nigga. My recoil different.
I still bust that for you.
God.
And still hit.
See that echelon. Niggas like to talk so much game like it's not the difference recoil. Didn't even. Didn't even.
Nah, you hit the
Didn't
bottom of the
even.
tree. You hit the
Didn't
bottom of
even.
the tree.
Didn't even. So watch this. Let me prove you different. Let me prove you different.
Well, hold on. Where that bullet need to go?
Right here.
Hey, you suck. Now you did.
Get that bullet. It's right here. See, nigga, it's the difference, nigga. That. You tried. You tried.
You tried. You tried.
That bitch feel dude. That bitch dude.
That's so good, don't it?
Now you hit the bottom. You hit the bottom of
I
it too.
definitely hit it.
You hit the bottom of it though, gang.
Hit the bottom of what?
You hit the bottom of it. Everybody's hitting the bottom of it, gang. Everybody's dropping down like this. boy shoot shit. We all shot it, nigga. We all hit it.
You got one
We just
bullet
couldn't
up
really tell, gang. That's it. So we all go to the next round, nigga. We all hit that bitch.
I did that.
So that nigga, that's me then.
Hell no.
Man, I hit it from that side, but I shot from right there. No. 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 It's only. Let me use your gun. Let me use your gun. You shot that one too low. Hell no, I bounced off to the left.
Hey, where my clip at with the extra pinky grip?
Oh, your clip in my pocket, gang. Here. Damn.
Oh, she gonna run through the dirt.
God damn, gang. This small ass gun.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Pick it up. Too low.
I went low, gang. This gun's small as hell in my hand. What the fuck? Where am I aiming?
Not there.
Gang, I'm dead ass like.
Jimbo. Watch out.
Hold on, man.
We just want to show you the shoot, man. That's all. Go ahead, man. Well, where is it going, bro? Where the fuck is it going, bro?
My aim has never been this bad.
Bro, it's not going nowhere, bro. Hey, Jimbo, don't tell me you can't shoot him. Stand still target now, goddammit.
Nah, I cannot figure out where the fuck I'm shooting with this little ass gun at, though. I swear to God. Like, this shit too little in my hand.
Shut up, shut down.
Bro, look how fucking
Shoot
big
that
my...
little shit.
You ain't know...
Ain't nothing in there.
I got a bullet right here. This shit little, bro. I'm saying this shit gun so
Put
fucking
another
little.
one in there. Put two on there.
Give me the 2 bullets I gave you. Oh. I was about to tweak out.
You got caught my own gun, man.
I ain't nigga, I put it on safety. Ooh. I like this deal, though. You get that bitch with my shit.
I think you did.
I got a target, gang. Hold on. Where my target at? No way.
Nope. Come on here, you son of a bitch. I got this little pea shooter for you.
It's only 3 holes in that board, bro. Hey, so we gotta move back.
Hell no, we can't aim for this goddamn close. What the fuck do you mean?
Nah, it's cause of how it's sitting, bro.
That too.
It's cause of how it's sitting.
Did I hit that bitch?
I guarantee you, if we move it down, watch this. Hold on, watch this, fellas. If we move this bitch down and place it this way, we all gonna hit that bitch. Just cause
Put it on something else.
it's in this weird position, bro. This position is fucking us up.
Put it on this one.
I'm
So
gonna
we
put it right here.
no, put it on this one right here, like this.
Oh, sitting up right here.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, we can see it there. Woo! Good job, fellas.
Hey, why Why we all just trade guns?
I don't know.
I guess nigga the next round we shooting with different guns.
It don't matter. I know somebody might be about to give up their gun. I'm trying to hold this little piece shooter shit.
Hey,
bro, leave my
that
shit
shit
alone,
low as
bro.
hell though,
Look,
gang.
fuck. Man, that shit, I can take that shit anywhere. Not worry about the wrong thing.
I think you went through. I think you did went through.
You can definitely see them hoes too.
Motherfucker popping, nigga.
He ain't hit that bitch.
I hit that motherfucker. Hit the tree. Hit the tree. The bullet right here. The bullet right here. Come here, you dude. The bullet right here.
Oh God!
You hit the tree, but you didn't hit the target. So, you feel me?
Hey, y'all gotta see that? Look at that. Look. See that?
He hit the tree. The bullet hole right here. The bullet right there itself. This the bullet right here. That bitch hot, ain't it? See how it's scoring through and went through it, and it got damn twisted in. Yeah. Leave that bullet right
No,
there.
hell no.
Nigga, leave that bullet there,
Why
gang.
you crazy as fuck?
I don't trust me.
This nigga here. All right, so I guess
You talking about
Cam, you out.
Didn't we say safety first? Or out for it?
Wow. Because you didn't hit the target.
We definitely
That's
said safety first.
That's his gun. Get him his gun back.
Hey man, take your little pea shooter back, man.
Get behind us, please, man.
Yeah, safety first.
Why the fuck would you take the bullet?
This is souvenir now.
This nigga here.
Now you gonna shoot with my gun, huh?
We all
You
traded
like that
guns.
motherfucker, don't you?
We all
You
traded
like that
guns.
motherfucker, don't
We
you?
all traded guns,
I know.
man.
I know that motherfucker nice.
This what's gonna be in your ass if you play with me.
Get out the
That motherfucker hit me, boy.
I hope they ain't catch me
Goddamn
with this
cannon
jump
hit me,
just
boy. I'm a shit. I'm a shit.
Did you hit that motherfucker, Paul? Yeah, I hit the board, Paul. Right here. I hit the board. So, bitch, I'm going to the next challenge. I nicked it, though. But
It's there.
I hit that motherfucker, though. It's 4 up there now. We 15. 15, 25 yards. 15, 25. Out. Go ahead, hand the 40. Hand the 40 gun. Nah, nigga, we all shooting with different guns, nigga. Get the 40. You had it. You had it. And
I'm
you
gonna
had
hit it with my gun though.
it. Nah, gang, we all traded guns.
I'm gonna hit
Step back here, nigga.
I'm gonna hit it with mine.
Hey, gang. Back here. Back here.
Why y'all niggas ain't shoot that far? That shot right here. This shot right here.
Yeah.
Where? What's that?
There's one up top, too. What you put the beam on?
Nah, I was gonna cut it on. But I can't really see it from the glare on the light. Huh? Huh?
There go my uncle right there.
There go that boy. Hey, catch this.
All right, baby. Me and you. Come on.
I just hit that bitch.
Come on. Me and you.
Nigga. Headshot. Boy, that 40 tore that boy up. Headshot. Headshot. Red dot. Let me see something.
I'm older than my uncle.
And
That's my uncle.
that's black people for you.
Red laying on that dick. I thought your ass would have missed, bro.
Yeah, hell nah. You see how you rocking. Oh, you hit that bitch. You hit that motherfucker.
I know I did. Get your ass in that spot.
Hey, sweet, boy.
I appreciate you, brother.
Somebody calling you?
Huh?
Well, no.
That's an alarm.
Not so long. Yeah. Well, 14 minutes ago, somebody called. It looked like it said south.
You know. Come on, nigga. We ain't got all day. Can't fuck with me, nigga.
I bet you I hit it.
I bet you didn't. I bet you didn't. You ain't get none of that shit. Yeah. You ain't none of that shit. Big Daddy did it. With the echelon. With the Canon Mete 9, you feel me? With Cam shit. Appreciate you, Cam. I can't hear a motherfucking thing.
Faster and efficient.
Y'all ready?
See how fast I just did that shit, boy? It worked way easier than any method you got.
Shit. Oh, hell nah. Alright, y'all, so what we about to do is, you doing this speed drill or not, nigga? Alright, put your ass right here.
Oh, let me hit the bait.
Don't worry about hitting the fucking bait, bro. What about to do, go ahead and do a speed drill. As soon as niggas hit the one, or whoever, how the fuck we gonna know? Somebody say, Marshall say go.
You go one at a time.
Huh?
Go one at a time.
No niggas, it's a speed drill to see who shit gonna stop fast, who shit gonna, you feel me? So,
What, so we getting closer?
no, gang. We just hitting until who shit empties faster. This is a speed drill. We all have 10 shots collectively. You feel me?
I'm gonna shoot that way, and then after I bust, y'all start.
Alright.
All right. Everybody set?
I need my 10 back, gang. I fucked
You
up.
know who do it the best.
Huh? I ain't caught my shit.